Namaste. My name is Anubhuti Gupta. I come from the northern part of India. I am here at Sasson as an exchange student for one term. I was pursuing my MBA from Indian School of Business in India. ISB Indian School of Business is a premier B school in India with 2 campuses in Hyderabad and Mohali. The school specializes in a lot of industries, specifically focusing on consulting, technology, AI, and marketing as well. I took a strategy course, Accelerating Your Innovation Journey, taught by Professor Ranjit Gupta. It mainly focused on how to build your own venture, how to navigate through the innovation journey when you are starting something of your own. I got to learn a lot about the theory behind what happens, and coupled with a lot of practical industry leaders coming and talking about their experiences and their journeys. I had a very different perception of Southeast Asia and Thailand in particular, and I wanted to experience the education system here, how things are being taught, what are the perspective of the students. And I think it's been a really nice experience listening from local Thai students about how they look at various management problems and what is their approach to solving them. I visited the city of Bangkok, then I went up north to Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, see the mountains, and then I also got a chance to see the islands, the beautiful pristine islands in Koh Samui, Koh Lanta, Phuket. Some things are very similar to what is in India, like for example, the hospitality, the warm, welcoming nature of people. Certain things that are different here is the focus on, it's a very, very tourist friendly place. You have everything to explore here. There is something for everyone here. In terms of the coursework, I think I enjoyed the course as it was set up by the professor. The first half was usually focused on the theory. The second half was about applying them into industry. Listening from people who've applied them in industry in Thailand across the globe was very relatable. Secondly, the way the evaluations were set up, I think the opportunity that the professor gave us to pitch our own innovative idea or our startup idea gave me especially an opportunity to think about something that I would want to do in the future, maybe 10 years down the line. And other thing in terms of, I think the infrastructure at Sasson is quite good. It offers a lot of things to explore around, and I felt the campus is really beautiful. Kapun ka, namaste.